Describe a gift you gave that took a long time to choose. What it was. Who you gave it to. How you choose it. Explain why you spent to choosing it. I remember a gift that I gave to my best friend on her birthday that took me a long time to choose. I wanted it to be something special and unique, so I spent a lot of time searching for the perfect present. After brainstorming for several days, I decided to give her a customized photo album. I chose this gift because my friend loves to take pictures, and she has a passion for capturing memorable moments. To choose the perfect photo album, I spent several hours searching online, looking at different designs and styles. I wanted something that would reflect my friend's personality and also be aesthetically pleasing. Finally, I found an album that was made of high-quality leather and had beautiful embossed designs on the cover. I then spent another couple of hours selecting the best pictures of us and our other friends, which I included in the album. I made sure to choose pictures that were meaningful and would evoke happy memories for my friend. When I gave the gift to my friend on her birthday, she was over the moon with joy. She loved the photo album and appreciated the effort I had put into choosing it. Seeing her so happy made all the time I spent selecting the gift totally worth it. Overall, I believe that the time and effort we put into choosing a gift is a reflection of how much we care about the person receiving it. It's not about the cost or the size of the gift, but about the thought and love that goes into selecting it.